As far back as in the 60s down to the 80s, concept artists had to express their stories frame by frame on a storyboard, which made their workflow ethic and led to elongated production duration. But the new millennium gave birth to tools like drawing graphics tablets and applications like Blender, Cinema 4D, Udemy, Maya, and the rest. The first set of graphics drawing tablets came without a screen. They were effective and they made the job of concept artists easy. But the newest revolution in the technology industry gave birth to drawing graphics tablets with display screen. And the big players in the industry at the moment, as at 2023, are Wacom and Huion. Um, Determining the best graphics card depend on individual preference. But for me, in my own opinion, I actually feel Huion Canvas 3 is the best. Is often praised for his affordability, good display quality, pressure sensitivity, and it's also laminated. The screen is laminated, and its laminated screen reduces parallax, providing more accurate drawing experience. However, preference vary, and factors that need to be considered are size, resolution, and specific features might also influence anyone's choice. It is advisable to consider personal requirements and reviews before you decide on the best graphics tablet that suits you. But in my own opinion, I actually feel you should check out the Huion Canvas 13.